Hello, my name is Teacher Godfrey. Welcome to your English speaking test. This test is about you and your family. Listen carefully to the instructions. Speak clearly and confidently. There are no right or wrong answers. Let us begin. First, introduce yourself. Tell us your name, tell us your age, tell us your class. Now, talk about your family. How many people are in your family? Who do you live with? What do your parents or guardians do? Tell us about your role at home. What do you do to help at home? What do you like about your family? Thank you. That is the end of the speaking test. You may stop now.